Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge this generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the crankshaft position sensor fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the crankshaft position sensor, which fuses we need to check guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge right here. Now guys, most of the people that own that Ford Edge do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made a special video about fuse box location on Ford Edge on our YouTube channel. Check it out for your convenience. For the crankshaft position sensor fuse guys, you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the driver's side here, you see on the right side, that's your car battery. Next to it you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuses we need to check? Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If you want to see how to replace camshaft position sensor or crankshaft position sensor on that generation Ford Edge, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you that. Also, if you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor or how to test crankshaft position sensor, we have videos that will explain how to do that on a car. It's not very complicated. Multiple fuses will need to be checked. There is very limited information about that, but those are for engine functions and they will cover crankshaft and camshaft position sensor as well. So here guys, what we need to check, starting in this row, we need to check fuse 67, 68, 69, 70. Those are very important fuses here. Also, you will guys need to check fuse number 90, which is right there, this fuse, and fuse number 86 right there, 7.5 amp fuse. Then you need to open the driver door and you need to come under the dash. On the driver's side, under the dash, this is the footwell compartment, this is the parking brake paddle, hood open lever. Behind it you have a cover, remove it and you're going to find the interior fuse box. Here you will need to check one more fuse, and that's known as fuse number 18. We're talking about that 10 amp fuse here, that's the one that you will need to check as well on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.